Heading south, fashion stylist Natalie Sexton joins us with her ultimate beach vacation packing list.
Oh, yes.
Got to start out with clothes.
We have to start with fashion, of
Yes.
course. So let's talk about linen pieces. I feel like linen is one of those fabrics, we love it for the summer, but such a great one to bring on vacation because it's lightweight to pack. It's okay if it's wrinkly.
Yeah.
We're fine with that. And it's breathable. It's a natural, really beautiful fabric too. So we're going to feel comfortable in it. And I brought some pieces from RW & Co.
That's
from their
pretty.
spring line. Isn't this beautiful? So the idea would be that you could do two-piece sets. We're still seeing a lot of those two-piece sets going into new seasons because we can mix and match. So this is going to give us lots of versatility, right? If we want to do this maybe with shorts or do this with like a bikini top, things we could wear to lunch and dinner and then to the beach as well.
Now, when you pack linen like this, when you unpack, do you iron it or do you not?
You know what? I generally will just hang everything up, like pieces like that are maybe a little bit
and
dressier.
Then maybe put it in the
something
bathroom
like this.
during a shower.
That's it. Or even outside, like if you're in a little bit more of a humid climate as well, as long as it's on a hanger. Because realistically, linen can be a little bit wrinkly. Yes, and
linen
it has
with
pockets. Isn't that fun?
Oh,
and I
really
styled
like
it as well. You're going to see some of these on my Instagram. So I'm going to give you some styling inspo as well to show you how to wear it. And then, of course, we need to talk about swimwear.
Yes.
So one of my favorite places has been Le Vion Rose. So this is a great Canadian brand. And the neat thing about their collection is that it's all interchangeable. So you can do this really cool floral caftan with the matching one piece
really
underneath.
Matchy-matchy, yeah.
I love a matchy-matchy moment. But then the option with this too, and you and I said this, that you could wear this to dinner over a little black dress. There's also really great basics. They go from size extra small to double XL. And then you can see in the bikinis as well that they also do D and double D cups. So there's something for everybody.
And you've got like
different styles.
Yeah, if you're buying them separately too, because your size on top may be way different than your size on the bottom,
and
right?
That's exactly it. And different options too. So this one here is a tankini style, or you can go for something that's sort of that retro fit. There's the triangle bikini tops. And then last but not least, another cover up that I really, really love from a brand called PrettyLittleThing.ca. If you want to go for kind of trendy, like those great white shirts, oversized shirts are really easy peasy, but maybe something a little more fashion forward.
That's so much softer than I thought it was going to be.
I know you thought it was going to be kind of stiff fabric, right? No, nice, easy peasy. You can throw it in the wash, hang it dry, and we're seeing a lot of cream and white. So we saw a lot of black cover-ups, and I know we tend to kind of gravitate to that.
But it's too hot.
I know cream is, and you're right, that's right, it attracts the sun. So something cream as well is going to give you lots of options, again, to throw over all of your swimwear.
Okay, don't forget a hat.
And a hat too, and that's actually from Le Vion Rose. So they do really great accessories. So you can find your sandals, your beach bags, your hats. You can find the whole kit and caboodle there too.
We're talking about makeup because you and I both pack makeup thinking, I know. When you go on vacation in the sun, you're going to wear all this kind of stuff. No, you're not.
No.
You're going to get a tan the first day then not wear any makeup.
It's true. Like we want to keep it simple, and I like cream formulations. You know, I don't want to bring anything liquidy or chalky that could break, you know, in the makeup bag in travel. So we want waterproof formulas as well. I've got these really cool tattoo shadow sticks from Maybelline. I actually have like a smear of the blue on my hand that I can't get off because it is like a 24-hour waterproof. So it does work really well. So you could do a fun color like you're seeing right here with that really pretty aquamarine, or you can go really simple with something kind of pearly. And then NYX, a really great brand. You know, this is something like, again, we don't necessarily want to break the bank, so we can hit up somewhere like Shoppers Drug Mart. And I love their buttercream lip glosses. They've got this lip drip fat oil that's really fun too.
And then fat oil is for your lips?
The fat oil lip drip is for your lips, so it's going to keep you nice and moisturized too. And then some really great just creamy products. So like a cream blush, something like this that's really easy to pack and apply. And then I'm really loving their illuminator. So you can actually mix that in with your sunscreen, which we're going to move to that next. That's my segue to sunscreen. So I have a couple of options here. So I have Blue Lizard Australian sunscreen. So that's a mineral brand. And there's a really great face and body one. You're going to get your 50 SPF there. And it doesn't go on chalky. Like sometimes mineral sunscreens can leave that white cast, where this has a really beautiful sheer formula. But I love the sticks. I think that
easy to throw in your bag.
So great, right? You throw them in your beach bag. Like bring a couple of them with you. And again, again, in that solid formula too, we are not worried about that spilling all over the place.
Okay, we got 30 seconds left.
Okay, so let's talk about Bon Look. I want to talk about sunglasses with you. So here's a really great Canadian brand.
Okay.
So they have a really cool virtual tool online that you can use as well to find the perfect fit for you. You're getting really great quality at a great price point here, but I wanted to give you a really kind of cool option of styles. I love a cat eye. Are you a cat eye glasses
I'm a cat
gal?
eye.
I love a cat eye too. Or tortoise shell. We're seeing a lot of tortoise and
we'll
then
get
metallic
all your links
frames.
up on social media then where you have way more details.
I will help you pack everything.
Thank you.
Thanks, Annette.